Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are at the beach. Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are enjoying your 4th of July. We came to the beach. I think I'm gonna go live in a little bit, but I still wanted to do like a vlog, so I'm gonna vlog a little bit. This water is so cold, y'all. Nick, say happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. We're gonna stay for the fireworks. Wanna see where we are, guys? We're gonna go down there and get something to eat in a little bit. But I love the beach. My kids love the beach. You guys know I love just spending time with my kids. But I'm so hungry, so we're about to go and grab something to eat. I think I'm gonna jump on live and say hi to you guys. Where you going, Nick? Let me see, Nicholas. You can do it. Good. Do it again. Run and do it so you get some speed. Run. Good, but now run. Go this way. Wait, go over there. Good, now run towards me and do it. There you go. That's better. Run and do it. Go. You gotta stretch your arms out strong, boy. My hands I love the beach, guys. Love having my feet in the sand.
Remember when I threw a chip next to you when all the birds came?
Yes, Nicholas likes to, I'm afraid of birds, guys. So Nicholas likes to drop a chip or two on the sand, right?
Yeah.
So the birds could come. Want me to bury you, Gabe? Okay, lay down.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book.
Are you get a spoon for that?
Yeah. Hey guys, so I just wanted to say, like, one thing I really love about my son Nicholas is how sweet and caring he is. Every single time we have a foster child in our home, he always bonds. As you can see, like, he always bonds with them. Every child that comes into our home sticks to Nick like glue. They all fall in love with him. Of course, Gabriel as well, but Nicholas really knows how to play that big brother role, and he's so caring and loving, and he knows how to be silly and funny, but also very understanding to our foster children that come in our home. And I just love
Summer nights, flashing lights, when the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Give me love and give me life. When the DJ spinning, everybody out on the dance floor singing. Hey oh, way oh, summer love makes me feel alright. These are the best days of my life. Hey oh,
but watching the people